Thinking about ditching your current real estate gig for Redfin? Let's see if that's a smart move or a potential career headache. First, let's talk about the good stuff. Redfin agents get a steady stream of leads, meaning less time cold calling and more time actually closing deals. The technology is slick while their app and website are top-notch, making your life a whole lot easier. And Redfin takes care of a lot of the marketing and administrative tasks that bog down traditional agents. But here's the flip side. Redfin's compensation structure is salary-based with bonuses, which might mean less earning potential for top producers compared to a commission-only model. You'll be expected to work a lot, often including evenings and weekends, so say goodbye to that perfect work-life balance. While Redfin provides great training, career advancement opportunities within the company can be limited and the customer service expectations are high, meaning you need to be ready to go above and beyond to keep clients happy. So, is Redfin right for you? If you value steady leads, advanced tech, and prefer a salary-based model, it could be a great fit. But if you're a high-earning go-getter who needs flexibility and wants to run your own show, maybe not so much. Weigh your options carefully, consider your priorities, and make the decision that aligns with your long-term career goals. Now you know the truth and can make the best choice for your future.